This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to add comment notes to a Basecamp task. Basecamp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams collaborate effectively. One of its key features is the ability to add comments to tasks, which can be incredibly helpful for communication and keeping everyone on the same page. Whether you're new to Basecamp or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's start by navigating to Basecamp's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in basecamp.com to reach the homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you have multiple accounts or projects, make sure you're accessing the correct one where you want to add the comment note. After you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard showcasing your active projects. From here, locate the project where you want to add a comment. It's usually listed under your recent projects, or you can find it by scrolling through your full list. Once you find the project, click on it to open the project details. Now that you're inside the project, you need to access the To-Do section. This is where all the tasks related to your project are organized. Look for the tab or section labeled To-Dos and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the tasks that have been created under this project. In the To-Do list, find the specific task that you want to comment on. This might require a bit of scrolling if there are many tasks listed. Once you locate the task, click on it to open its detailed view. After opening the task, scroll down to the bottom of the task details. This is where you'll find the comment section. It's a great place to add notes, ask questions, or provide updates related to the task. Click on the comment box to start adding your thoughts or information. Begin typing your comment in the provided text box. Try to be clear and concise with your message. Remember, the goal of adding a comment is to communicate effectively with your team members. If you're asking a question or providing important information, make sure it's easy for others to understand. Once you've finished typing your comment, look for the button that says Add this comment. Click on it to post your comment to the task. Your comment will now be visible to everyone else who has access to the project and can be a valuable part of the ongoing conversation around that task. And that's it. You've successfully added a comment note to a Basecamp task. This simple action can enhance collaboration and ensure that everyone involved in the project stays informed. Remember, effective communication is key to successful project management, and utilizing the comment feature in Basecamp is a great way to achieve that. I hope this guide was helpful in getting you acquainted with adding comments to tasks in Basecamp. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore Basecamp's help resources or leave comments for additional support. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.